Empowered, the Minnesota model. Empowered started in 2005 in response to Minnesota precision manufacturers' concerns about the skilled worker shortage. The need for middle-tech, skilled manufacturing employees has been well documented. Competing in a global marketplace, manufacturers told us that they were in the race of our lives for skilled talent. This first program brought together precision metal forming employers with Hired, a leading Twin Cities area provider of job skills and employment training, and Hennepin Technical College, the largest standalone technical college in the state of Minnesota, to form a unique collaboration to create a first-of-its-kind fast-track program to address the looming shortage. From the beginning, Empowered's vision was to be demand-driven, employer-focused.
Machining, welding, and metal forming are becoming lost arts in an aging workforce, and the current educational system does not teach the skills we need in manufacturing, and it will only get worse in the future.
Hennepin Technical College went directly to business and industry sector, and we listened. We found they wanted to collaborate and partner with us in designing a curriculum that could meet their skill shortages.
Hired is a community nonprofit organization and has worked with the workforce development system in linking the student to the training program and the employer.
And what makes this program successful is that we, from the very beginning, have been able to tell them exactly what skills we need, and they in turn have developed curriculum to address those specific needs.
You also have another page here, your tool length offset page.
Empowered was a significant program because it was employer-driven, as demonstrated by our success in exceeding all of our goals.
Success can't get any better, and Charlie is an example of that.
I like working with my hands and being creative, but also need to make a comfortable living. I read about Empowered and identified with one of the students interviewed, so I decided to pursue a career in metal manufacturing.
Since 2005, Empowered has grown to include programs in CNC machine operations, quality assurance, soldering, and plastic injection molding. In 2009, HTC and Hired saw the opportunity to re-engineer the Empowered model to help address the economic challenges of the Great Recession. A vast gap currently exists between the skill sets of the large pool of unemployed and dislocated manufacturing workers and the requirements of job openings in the precision manufacturing industry. The Empowered program transcends industry competition, instead fostering a spirit of co-opetition among Minnesota's manufacturers. I really believe that we're all in this together. We realize that the success of our industry depends on supporting worker training and being a part of that. The barriers are basically broken down here, and we work together to support the industry as a whole. With the development of the career pathways, we develop tools to assess and select candidates with the goal of placing them at the point on the education pathway where they will experience the best success, not simply assess to determine whether a candidate meets cut scores. Empowered set out to close the gap with a 3-level technical education program provided by Hennepin Technical College, integrated with employability skills and wraparound services provided by Hired. This seamless integration of program elements is important to the success of the program. Empowered has always tried to be flexible while preserving its unique characteristics. Empowered's basic program always followed a 3-level approach. Level 1, Manufacturing Fundamentals. This 9-credit course prepares students to enter the precision manufacturing field with acquired basic skills in shop math, print reading, measuring tools, hand tools, shop safety, metallurgy, and employment and life skills. Successful completion is measured by the student's ability to determine whether a part has been manufactured to customer requirements and specifications within a safe, effective working environment. Level 2, Specialized Skills Development. Following successful completion of Level 1, candidates begin specialized lab training in their chosen field.
The program starts out in a classroom setting where you'll learn everything from how to set up a quality resume to shop math and blueprint reading. The on-the-job training portion begins with taking part in a job fair where you get to explore your opportunities with all the participating companies. By the end, you'll have completed a handbook of required skills. This is the CNC bender. This one's a lot of fun. We can write a program that uses spirals, arcs, and bends, including multiple planes, to create almost any shape we want. The production run on this machine is fully automated, so the machine can be programmed to orientate, load, run, and expel parts repeatedly on its own. We hold tolerances on this machine of 50 to 100 thousandths over several inches, encompassing the profile of the entire part. I've also learned a lot about inspection, including how to use micrometers and various hand instruments, and operating a shadow graph. I've also learned to program a computer-controlled inspection center that is used to check many dimensions very quickly and is extremely accurate.
Level 3. On-the-job training consists of 480 hours of structured on-the-job training at an employer's site. Throughout the education process, Hired's career navigators utilize multiple strategies to promote student support, retention, success, and placement, along with addressing employment barriers such as transportation and childcare. During Level 1 technical training, Hired provided integrated workplace competency skills such as team building and conflict resolution. In Level 2, Hired provided job search training integrated with curriculum such as resume writing and interviewing skills. We have promoted Empowered as a career program, not a job program. The Empowered participants are pulled along a career path, not pushed into an entry-level program. Program elements, especially curriculum, were developed in consideration of these career pathways, and many Empowered students have returned to Hennepin Technical College to continue their education. Reverse Career Fair. Inspired by the concept of speed dating, we designed our career fair to give job seekers an opportunity to sit down one-on-one for a 5 to 10 minute visit with Empowered employers. The concept was created to facilitate a strong culture match between job seeker and manufacturer. Sustainability. While the recruitment of participants and their Level 1 and 2 training is made possible by grants, their OJT is unsubsidized, with participants earning wages that average over $14 an hour. Additional specialized occupational programs are funded by employers' tuition reimbursement programs, or by participants who are already earning a living wage through full-time employment and who felt confident in the increased earning potential that additional training would provide. The Empowered model turns 9 months of subsidized training and mentoring into a lifetime of unsubsidized, sustainable earning potential.
And I really would like to thank the Empowered staff this afternoon from the bottom of my heart, because you have taken a chance with me and with the partnering companies to help me find a job that fits me. Now I'm with the perfect company that I really love and I really enjoy going to work every day.
Dependable Dustin, I'd like to start off by thanking Empowered for creating the opportunity to give me a free education. I've learned more from my instructor Dan Ralph in the last month and a half than I could hope to obtain in years of schooling. The man is never ending in knowledge. Any question I've had for him, he's had an answer. Steve Kalina, my boss from Dynaplast, presented me with the opportunity, letting me know about the class, and gave me a shot to take it further in my career. Everything I've learned from this class, I've gone back to school back to work that same night and used something that I've learned from school that day. I hope that Empowered continues on and does a second course so I can continue my knowledge and hopefully make a degree out of this. Thank you.
What I've gotten out of this class has been more in a period of a month than I've gotten out of the job in 3 years. It was quite the opportunity, and I'd encourage this program to go on for a while yet. So I thank you.
I took the opportunity, and it's been the best thing that I've ever done to this day. Is going back to school. I felt kind of old, but I realized that I'm not the only one at my age coming back to school. So I felt very honored at the same time.
Education is what makes a person succeed, what makes a person feel good about himself, makes you feel like you can do anything that you want to.
They are the one who made it possible for me to enter this course today. And now I can tell my people back home or my mom, who I'm going to call tonight, and tell her that I've accumulated something great. I would like to say thank you to my instructor, Tony.
Yeah.
I've never ever seen a man who put all his attention just to make sure that his students have something in their brains.
Thank you to the hired staff. Keep up the good work. Whatever you do, it's well done because you're changing lives along the way. You've changed mine, and I know you've changed a lot of people's lives along the way. So keep up the good work. Thank you.
Since its inception, the Empowered program has gained local and national recognition, not only as a successful model for filling the skills gap, but a proven program that nurtures robust careers in manufacturing.